So in this lesson, we will see one more time the subject pronouns. I mean, they were introduced in a previous lesson, but I thought it might be interesting just to take a few minutes to see them one more time. We'll focus on the pronunciation and we'll see all the translations possible for these pronouns. Okay, so we can start right now. I, je, je, je. You, and it would be the singular, tu, tu, tu. He or it, il, il, il. She or it, elle, elle, elle. We, one, they. On, on, on. We, nous, nous, nous. You, so it will be whether for the plural or it could be for the singular if it's the formal singular. Vous, vous, vous. They, and this is the masculine plural, il, il, il. They, and this is the feminine plural, elle, elle, elle.